Drama na ito? Game.
But, as you can see naman dun sa VTR, you've dedicated your life to your family. Alam ko wala kayong yaya.
Wala.
Oo. So,
Ilang more so now? Kasi my kids are already 11 and 9. Okay na yun.
so hindi na kailangan talaga.
Lalong hindi kailangan.
Mas hands-on kayo, more than ever? Or medyo, ginagawa niyong medyo independent
Of
na sila?
course. Kasi mahirap din naman ng, di ba, pag wala kang yaya, you have to teach your kids early on to become independent. Otherwise, they'll be always, Mom, this, Mom, that, Dad, this, that.
Maging
Nakakapagod din
spoiled,
yun.
oo.
Correct.
How do you see your kids now that they're growing up? May mga personalities?
They're growing up too fast. Ayoko. Personalities, I think they're. I'm hoping that that they're growing up to be well-rounded individuals, God-fearing. We always instill that sa kanila, and very respectful. Hopefully,
May
we're
balak
working
ba
on
na,
it. We're still working on it.
May balak ba na sundan? Maybe girl naman?
Okay na ako. Okay na ako sa
Okay
two
na?
boys. Mahal ang matrikula.
Alam ko that you and Ariel, would you guys want to work together like Carmina and Zoren? Meron bang planong ganon?
Wala pa naman, but then that would be fun. That would be
Yeah.
actually fun. I think that would be fun.
Okay, okay. Let's see in the future. Pero gusto kong balikan yung sinabi ni Aiko.
Sinabi si Aiko.
Sabi kasi ni Aiko dun sa VTR, as a friend, hindi ka konsentidor.
Oh, hindi.
Diba? Hindi ka konsentidor. So, sino sa mga kaibigan mo ang pinakapasaway? Laging kailangan ng advice, laging pinapayuhan?
Si Aiko. Si Aiko yun, siya na. Kaya nga, alam niya na hindi ko talaga siya kinukonsente. Si Aiko, pag may ginagawa yan na alam niyang hindi okay, hindi yan tatawag sa akin, wala akong maririnig sa kanya. Pero pag serious problem na, ayan na, tatawag na yan. Ito na nangyari, hindi ko na alam. Ayan na. Pero pag kalokohan, hindi niya talaga ako. Kasi masasabon at masasabon siya. But then, again, I am still a friend.
Yes.
So, ako rin pinagdaanan ko rin ang mga pinagdaanan niya na, you also want your freedom, you also want to have your fun. But always, hindi ko pinapakalimut sa kanila na every action has its consequence.
But the best advice, sinabi nga nila, diba, is the real one. So you just have to give them the real advice. Tama yung sinabi ni Lucy na hindi yung kung ano yung gusto nilang marinig.
Yes.
Diba? Let's go back naman to Raymart.
Oh, why not?
Kasi alam ko mamaya may one-on-one interview kayo. Pero I want to ask your reaction first upon hearing na magkakaproyekto kayo at magkakatrabaho kayo ni Raymart. Naging uneasy ka ba or okay lang?
Hindi naman. It was actually a pleasant surprise. Parang it's been a while since nagtrabaho kami ni Raymart. And I was actually looking forward to it.
And so are we. Tomorrow na yan, di ba?
Bukas na bukas.
Before that, we have a little surprise for Jelly. As we were looking at your past, syempre nakilala natin kung sino talaga si Miss Jelly, di ba? And nung mga times daw na sobrang busy si Janice, meron ka daw kababata na parang naging sister mo na rin. So we have her with us today. Please welcome Yani Pasha. Yani Pasha is here.
Pinsan ko nga pala! Yani, what are you doing here? She's my cousin. She's my first cousin.
Join us here. You've seen Jelly grow up.
Surprise! My goodness!
You wanted something na masa-surprise.
Oh, yeah, ayan na si Yani. Ay, paano? Okay, alam ko na kung ba't kanila kinuha. Dahil sa interview ko yung kay Kim Hyun-jo.
Yes.
What's your anong may share mo sa audience natin na hindi alam ng karamihan about Jelly?
Well, nung hindi pa siya artista, and we were playmates, no? This was like 25 years ago. Ano ba mga favorites namin? Barbie dolls?
Barbie da.
Menudo, ang favorite mo si Roy, tama ba? We used to make pizza, we used to swim
Menudo
every
hindi
weekend.
yung pagkain, yung boy band.
Hindi, totoong
Oo.
boy band. Fan na fan kami talaga. Totoo.
Huwag ka tumawa. Totoo yan. Ayan na.
So you've seen her from, this girl who plays Barbies until now she's a mom. Ano yung masasabi mo about Jelly now?
She's still the same. I mean, she's still the same kung ano yung kakengkoyan namin nung mga bata kami. Pero totoo rin yung mga sinasabi ng mga friends niya na artista na when it's something serious, and especially when it's something about family, you can count on her na seryosong advice, genuine ang kanyang emotion para sa'yo. Tapos tatawa siya ulit after that. Ganun lang siya, very resilient.
Hindi masyadong heavy. Hindi masyadong heavy drama.
There you go. Thank you so much, Yani. Thank you for
Thank you,
being
Yan.
here. Alam ko, magchichismisan pa kayo. So, Jelly, why don't you invite everybody? Tomorrow na ang Bantatay.
Ay, naku, bukas na bukas din ang Bantatay. Bago mag-24 oras, mamaya abangan nyo ang one-on-one namin ni Raymart. Nako, abangan
Yes,
nyo yan.
hindi pa dyan nagtatapos si Miss Jelly de Belen. Abangan nyo with Raymart Santiago live na live when we come back only here on Showbiz Central. Stick around.
Tutukan ang sikreto ng pusong kasasabog lang. Angelo De Leon, bakit sinekreto ang pagpapakasal? At susunod na, Marian Rivera at Bella Padilla. Patina. This portion was brought to you by